One moment of service can change the lives of countless others. Now, let us look back when Shouting America began.
Who's controlling them? Who? Imagine seeing this by your house. What happened? Yo, what? That is here.
Someone take a picture of this for me.
I can't just say no.
Because my phone's dead.
Since humanity began, humans have always gathered around campfires.
Yeah, I get it!
No, that's high key fire.
There's no way no one can do this. No one can do this IRL.
And into the sky for inspiration.
Treating like YT.
The inspiration they found was actually direction from the stars. The Stallion America 2026 National Jamboree and Summer Hotel Reserve proudly present.
Hey, yo! And haters will say this is AI generated.
Unknown skeleton.
I'm coming. Yo, whoa. My man. Whoa. Whoa.
A foggy day, 1909.
Did you? I started to the F word.
Rainbow across the city.
Big thing.
An American tourist, William D. Boyce, is visiting London, where he gets lost and cannot find his hotel.
Baseball? Is that a compass? They didn't have those back in the day. Giggity. What you hear, ding, what you actually hear. It sounds corny.
Mr. Boyce wanders about, unfamiliar with his surroundings.
He ate raw eggs. That is the One Piece.
Growing with frustration, Boyce stops a young scout to ask for directions.
Let me show you something.
see a stranger at night, the scout helps guide Mr. Boyce to his destination.
Is that a smiley face?
Boyce offers the scout a tip. But the local man declines.
Actually it's USD.
This is my scout duty. Do a good turn daily.
The scout said,
Giggity giggity goo.
Boyce asked, "What is a scout?"
That's so tough.
Like a saint?
I'm gonna make you patriotic. That's the New Orleans Saints. That's the New Orleans Saints.
The scout then explained to Boyce scouting's principles and how Robert Bateman Cole had founded the scouting movement
Whoa.
in London. Inspired by this exchange, Boyce would bring such principles back to the United States, where he founded Scouting in America in 1910.
That TV. American flag. Like a twinkle little stars. Send that photo to me, bro. Bro, send that photo to me. Hey, yo, what you mean by that, buddy?
With the purpose of teaching patriotism, courage, self-reliance, and moral values, the scouting
We now have one state.
It's spread
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
across the United States.
Giggity, giggity, this ball hit. What if they crash and collide? Whoa, whoa, whoa. The middle finger? Is that the middle finger? Is that... He's pointing the middle finger at us. What even is that?
The very first national
That looks like the middle
took place
finger.
in 1937 on the National Mall in Washington, D.C.
That was me actually who did that flag. Yeah, back in my day. I actually have a flag that was raised in Washington.
Over 20,000 scouts set up tents, cooked dinner, and gathered around the campfire, building community through the sharing of songs and stories.
Holy God! How did they go in that fast?
Now it's your turn to continue that legacy. What stories will you tell around your campfires? How will you elevate yourselves and those around you to create a better world?
Is that an alien?
No, it's
It's a burrito?
a Buddha.
A Buddha. Oh, a burrito, right? I'm Buddha. He's praying on the ground, dude. Yo! Jesus, help us. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. U.S. flag is white and red. The U.S. flag is white and red.